Chief Experts, we've got a question about how to expand a building or add space in between a room. The question was how to add space into a living room. Okay, so I want to make this living room wider, which means I have to slide everything over here. So a really simple way to do it. And I like using a CAD box to do this, but you don't have to use a CAD box. You could just draw this out. But I'm going to put a CAD box because what I could do is shape this in such a way that I only move the part that I want to move. So if I wanted to, I could just say, well, move only this part of it, but I want to leave that wall there. So it'll just slide over what's highlighted. So you can reshape this box to be any shape you want and only move that part of what we're about to do. Or you could copy part of this too from one plan to another. So what I'm going to do is highlight that area, highlight that box, go edit, edit area, and then you could do edit area for just the current floor. You could do edit area for all the floors, foundation, first floor, second floor, and so on. You could do edit area for just what you see on the screen, so any layers that are turned off won't change. And same thing, edit area for just what you see on the screen. Typically, you're going to always want to use edit area for all floors and move everything that's turned off. Okay, so if you have a lot of layers turned off, you want to move them along with everything else. So I'm going to click on edit area all floors, and then it's going to kind of flash a little bit, but the buttons change a tad. And then I could just grab the center handle and move it, but what I like to do is hit the button here for doing the transform replicate, and then I'm going to just move this X or Y. Okay, so I'm going to, in this case, I want to move it over to the right 4 feet. So I put 48. If I wanted to move it to the left, I would put minus whatever that number is. If I wanted to move it up, I'm going to put Y. So if I want to move it up 48 inches, I just type 48 here. If I want to move it down on the screen, I type minus 48 here. It's just that X and Y. All right. So I'm going to move it over 4 feet, hit OK. You'll see it slides over, and it should pretty much move everything with it. It'll extend the roofs. It'll move the windows and doors. You may end up coming back and having to reattach some roofs and things like that. But for the most part, it works extremely well. It will get all of the floors and extend everything else with it. So, but again, there might be some things in your plan that don't quite move, but you're going to get the majority of everything moving just fine. And that's a real simple way how to make rooms bigger or smaller in Chief Architect. Thanks.